What are some other resources? I know we've talked about a variety of them. I kind of feel like maybe we already know the answer to this question. Maybe this is a test for everyone who is listening. What are some other resources? I think that there's a key one here, which is number one, you want to call your state licensing advisor. And then number two, you want to go to ncarb.org. That's probably going to get you pretty much everything you need. Guys, am I missing anything here?
Pretty far.
What else? Is there any other kind of like smaller things we should look at?
I would just say NCARB has been pretty good about compiling resources, such as the YouTube channel, which has short videos on each of the exams, the communities, which allow candidates to speak to each other and to NCARB reps, and just generally NCARB social media. So, follow them on Instagram. They're constantly posting tips, updates. And I would also recommend checking with the local AA component. I'm heavily involved with the Boston Society of Architects here in Massachusetts, and we host the ARE Success Teams year long, which allow candidates to get together and form a group. And the BSA has study materials available in-house for free. All you really need to do is give a deposit, which then gets returned to you. So check in with the local AA component. You never know what they can offer.
Yeah, that's a really good one to add to this list. Anything here, Jessica, we should add, do you think?
No, I think all of the NCARB resources are really great, and definitely I think you can use the NCARB website to also figure out who your licensing advisor is. Whether you're in school, that should be easy to determine. It's a professor more than likely, but you also have state licensing advisors. Like I'm the licensing advisor for Illinois. You can call me, you can email me, we can talk some more. I think it's also really good to remember that a great resource is other people who are taking the ARE also. You can have a community with candidates in your office who are going through the same process as you, and you can talk with each other about what you're struggling to understand or questions that are hard for you to work through. So inviting a community of other people that are going through it. There also exists communities over the web that are just people who are looking for advice. What did you do to understand this? And I think having, it's not just for an accountability check, but also just to, have some good engagement there too.